Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your file and immediately selecting the Type tool so you can work non-destructively. Click the text layer in the Layers panel. If it's rasterized, undo or restore a vector/text layer. Vectors resize cleanly. Set font family, initial size, and anti-aliasing. These choices affect legibility when scaled. Once done, choose point text for single-line adjustments or area text for wrapped paragraphs, because each behaves differently when you change size. This early setup prevents pixelation and layout shifts as you proceed. Now you resize using precise controls and visual tools. For exact typography, open the character panel and adjust size, leading and tracking to maintain balance. Change vertical scale only when needed. For visual adjustments, use Free Transform, Ctrl/CMD+T. Hold Shift in older Photoshop to constrain proportions, or don't hold Shift in newer versions where proportions are preserved by default. Convert text to a smart object before large upscales, so Photoshop preserves vector data and prevents jagged edges. Then finish by confirming readability and export settings. Keep an editable text layer or a duplicate smart object, and rasterize only when the design is final, because rasterizing prevents later clean scaling. If your text looks blurry, undo the rasterize step or re-import the original text/smart object and resize again at the correct resolution. Blurry text usually means you upscaled pixels or exported at low PPI. Finally, make sure your document and export PPI match the intended output so text remains crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.